You're listening to EUAudio. Listen, learn, lead. Automating cybersecurity. According to a study by the Ponemon Institute, UK companies lose an average of nearly £3 million for every data breach they experience. While manufacturers often struggle to guard against cybersecurity threats, automation can help them protect themselves by making processes more robust. The manufacturing sector relies heavily on operational technology, and the move towards Industry 4.0 has meant that more of this equipment is connected. As well as new, connected technology, manufacturers are using smart sensors to connect legacy equipment, such as motors, to the Internet of Things. One problem with this approach is that most legacy equipment was never designed to be connected and may therefore not be easy to secure. Programmable logic controllers, for example, are a popular target for hackers. The risk to manufacturers was shown when the Belgium-based aircraft parts and aviation equipment maker ASCO was hit by a large-scale ransomware attack in June 2019 and was forced to shut down its operations. While connected operational technology may make manufacturers feel they are at an increased risk, they can guard themselves by automating their cybersecurity solutions. This allows them to minimize the possibility of human error affecting security and can help avoid downtime. Whether the data is information about your customers, details of your supply chain, or information from a palletizing robot, it's challenging to keep track of data manually. By using a more rigorous and standardized approach, manufacturers can stay on top of any anomalies that appear as a result of suspicious activity. While cybercriminals always strive to be one step ahead, automating cybersecurity puts manufacturers on a level playing field, allowing them to harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve security. By speeding up data collection and improving analytic capabilities, manufacturers can also save money by avoiding downtime like ASCO's. When proper planning is paired with investments in automation, we see companies able to save millions of dollars during a breach, explained Ted Julian, co-founder of IBM Resilient. There are several tools manufacturers can use to improve their cybersecurity processes. Vulnerability scanning tools, including Nessus and Skybox, are already popular choices, but there are more advanced options available too. For example, manufacturers can also use physical or virtual software bots to automate repetitive security tasks. These might include handling low cognitive functions such as scanning or monitoring datasets for errors. Known as robotic process automation, this approach can also reduce threat detection and response time and help businesses stay on top of any suspicious activity. Security orchestration, automation and response is another approach manufacturers can take. By using a SOAR solution stack of compatible software, they can gather information about any threats in the company and respond to low-level risks without human assistance. If the business is based over several facilities, such as multiple car plants, SOAR will also allow personnel to oversee every security point while protecting against threats such as sabotage and intellectual property theft. Security breaches come at a high price, nearly £3 million on average. To avoid losing out to hackers, manufacturers can consider automating some of their cybersecurity processes. EUAudio is brought to you by EU Automation.